What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making my homemade buffalo chicken wrap. So, actually, we're going to start out with the process of the chicken. So I'm going to chop it up, put it in the bowl. We're going to use all this chicken breast and put it all in the bowl. And then, after all that, put it all in there. Oh. So, happy Wednesday. Today is Vlogmas Wednesday. So, happy Vlogmas Day. I didn't do much. I cleaned my closet out, and that's all clean, and all that fun, exciting stuff. So, what you guys do this weekend? Did you guys have a good weekend? Have a good week? Did you guys do anything good on Monday? Well, I did. Took the Central Bus. As you can tell, if you guys haven't seen that video, it's on my video YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel. Always subscribe to my channel. Comment if you guys want to see different stuff. I will see what I can do. Try to do my best to do that for you. What else? But yeah. Hope you guys had a good Monday. And yesterday was Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. Happy February 1st. What else? But yeah. So I decided I had chicken left, so I'm like, what am I gonna do with this chicken? So I'm like, yeah, I'll make my homemade buffalo wrap to see how it goes. So yeah. Alright. May have to take a seat here in a minute. My back is killing me. Here's Evan. But yeah. Save some money for the future because I'm going to run my own business, have my own gym. My cousin's going to help me out. And also save up money for a car. Don't mind them. Alright. Alright. Now that's all in there. Alright. Oh, I'll be right back, you guys. Like we're in Vegas or something, all right? The game is called the Dice Game. I'll show you the first number of the price of the SUV. The first number is a 3. All the other numbers are 1 through 6, just like on the dice. So one by one, you're going to roll them so they go over the line. If you get the right number, ding, 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 congratulations. If you don't, all you have to do is all right. So a 1
I'm back, you guys. Sorry about that. So yeah. Anyways. Be right back with you again.
Next one, please. A 1! That's what we like. Is it a 1? No, but that's an automatic winner because that has to be higher than 1.
Wish we had a mom. Anyways, so I'm not worried about that mess right now. So let's just get back to cooking with Jonesy. So chicken, hot sauce.
3. Oh, that would have been nice. I'm gonna start with this one. Higher than a 4.
Hot sauce. Oh, wait, good thing I had more. Quit. If you guys see me just running around back and forth, because the dog made a mess of spilling the water.
We all need fiber for our digestive health, but less than 10% of us get enough each day. Good thing Metamucil gummies are an easy way to get prebiotic plant-based fiber with the same amount of fiber as 2 cups of broccoli. Metamucil gummies, the easy way to get your daily fiber. Be ready for whatever life throws your way. Only Dial provides a hard-working clean, but regenerative skin with its Skin Smart Complex and 3 moisturizers to leave your skin feeling fresh and healthy. Nothing cleans like Dial. Stouffer's bowl full, taste of fried chicken, mashed potato mountains, filled with gravy fountains. You always make me feel like a winner. And is everyone in here? Oh. But I'm done something. This is my secret. I put it on once. It's a fucking ball. No more ketchup. Secret has pH balancing minerals, and it helps eliminate odor instead of just masking it. So pull it in close. Secret. The ABCs of CKD. A is for awareness, because knowing that your chronic kidney disease and type 2 diabetes could progress to dialysis is important. B is for belief that there may be more you can do. Just remember that K is for kidneys. And Corendia, for adults living with CKD and type 2 diabetes. Corendia is proven to reduce the risk of kidney failure, which can lead to dialysis. Corendia is a once-daily tablet that treats CKD differently than type 2 diabetes medication to help slow the progression of kidney damage and reduce the risk of cardiovascular events, such as heart attacks. Do not take Corendia if you have problems with your adrenal glands or take certain medications like the CYP3A4 inhibitors. Corendia can cause hyperkalemia.
Anyhow, I'm back. So, dog decided to spill all the water off the floor, so that being said, we're gonna spread all this on the chicken. I don't know if I want to mix it yet. Because the part of the wrap is gonna be the blue cheese. So I guess we'll mix this all up. So let's mix this up. All right. feel like it needs a little bit more sauce.
But you can. 80 or less. You should do one more.
So, all right. All right. Mm-hmm. Perfect. So then we're gonna have. So actually, we're gonna make the wrap ahead of time. So for you people. So let's start out with the. We're gonna put the blue cheese on the bottom. You know, so spread it out. So. So we're going to use this. Put the blue cheese in there. Alright. So we're going to put this on it. You know, spread it around. Alright. Spread that around. Because that's going to be your main thing. Is the blue cheese. So, whatever blue cheese you have left, make sure you put it back in the bottle.
Circulation is having a beneficial effect on my heart and my energy. It makes me healthy. Once you have that support, just do that. You feel like you can take the stairs. You can cook that Sunday meal. You can get things done. You can feel the difference. Super Beans helps me with all these aspects of good circulation. It's giving me the energy that I want.
Okay. And then we're gonna put the cheese on the bottom. You don't have to have much. Just amount. Just a little bit of amount. All right, like see like this amount. Sprinkle it around. Maybe just a little bit more. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right. Take your chicken. Take your chicken. Alright. Alright. Spread that apart. Alright. I want a little bit more of that sauce. And now, that being said, we're gonna wrap it up. Try to, maybe. All right, maybe I put too much chicken in here. Alright, we're gonna try my best. Alright. Chop this up. Hold up. Alright. Now, we're going to put this on a plate. Alright. Here's the finished done process. Alright, now we're going to put it in the fridge. Right. Wipe my hands. Now we're going to clean it. Alright, put the blue cheese away. Cheese in there. Alright. Alright. I guess that's it for my YouTube blog today. So that's cooking, so that's in the microwave. That's in the refrigerator. And yeah, so watch out for Vlogmas Friday. Well, I'll try to come up with something for Vlogmas Friday. But yeah, have a good day. Dress warm if you're going outside. Make sure you take a short walk, because I'm thinking about going for a walk. But I'm going to make it short because it's kind of cold. But yeah, I'll be back for Vlogmas Friday. Don't worry. I know you all miss my face. So, comment below if there's a different video you want to see of me. I'll try my best to come up with something to that. I'm going to shorten it. I'm going to put in a short blog. Throw in a short blog, I should say. Have more of my coffee right now. Alright. Add a little bit more cream. Alright. That's good to go. Trying to. Come on. Excuse me. Alright. Coffee's good to go. Alright, everyone. Like I said, have a good day, and I'll see you back for Vlogmas Friday. Later.